Hey guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. This is Queen Detox and you're here on Tone Resolution, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite detox drink. So the ingredients that you'll be needing is kale. Kale is high in vitamin C for a strong immune system, vitamin K and A for vision and bone and health, and green apples essentially detoxes the liver, and so for sweetness you can lightly add organic honey. And I can understand you need a little bit of sweetness, and so make sure that you have purified clean water, and go ahead and measure that and put it inside of the blender. And make sure that you give it a couple of ice for some crushed ice, and go ahead and put that inside of the blender. That'll be the first thing that goes inside, and then you'll go ahead and put the contents of the apple and kale smoothie protein drink. And as you can see, I went ahead and put that in the blender. Now you'll need to go ahead and put in the green apples, and put the green apples in the blender. Also, now you'll go ahead and cut the kale up and put the kale inside of the blender and get the contents ready to blend. So now we're here and we're all set to go for blend. So now what we're going to do is take a look at our results here for our nice smoothie. If you take a look, it is nicely smooth and blended, and it looks a little bit of crushed. So yep, we're definitely done making my favorite alkaline detox smoothie. Stay tuned for more updates.